Hi everybody, I am here today with a brand new mini album. This is my Graphic 45 Autumn Greetings mini album. I did use the bundle that is available on the Scrap and Create website to create this album, so I will link that in the description box below. Also, I did use one of my wooden covers. This is a new design, it's a new size cover, so this will be available in my Etsy shop and on my website, so those will both be linked in the description box below. If you would like to purchase the tutorial, it will also be available on Etsy and my website, so you can create this album if you want to follow along. I will also be listing this completed album for sale on my website, so if you'd like to purchase this and just place your photos inside, you can do so. This album measures about 10 inches with the hinge on it, and it's 6.5 inches. It has 4 page sets, and the pages are 8 by 6.25 inches. This album is matted to hold 82 photos. I have a bow here, I've got some of my tags from the chipboard tags, and I've got some of the charms from the Scrap and Create, just to give a little bit of dimension and extra embellishment. This is what the back and the spine look like. Now this cover is magnetized. It is flexible, but it is something you want to be careful with because it can break if you flex it too far. Now, along these sides, you will see ribbons. These pages are not pocket pages. They actually will completely open, so I'll come back to those in just a moment. The inside front and back covers are identical. They just have the autumn greetings with some paper here. You could place photos there if you wanted to do so. For page 1, we do have this little photo mat here that will pull out so you can place a photo down inside of there. It is magnetized and it holds the waterfall flaps closed. And then this flap flips up and there's room for a photo there. There's room for a photo here. And then this flips down and there's one of the journaling cards. And then here, in the center, room for photos as well. And then there is a large photo mat here for full-size photos. Now these pages are held together with ribbon closures, and each one opens up to reveal a photo spread. So here you could place a large and a small photo and a large and a small photo. You could also place some smaller photos here if you chose to do so. Then on the back of the page here, we have a photo mat with a tag on the one side. Slides into that belly band here. And then this actually folds up. Room for a photo here. And then this down here, there is a pocket here first. It has a journaling card and a photo mat in that pocket. And then this folds down, room for a photo there, and then room for 2 photos here. And this is open so that anything that's over top the photo mats, the photo will slide behind it. Now on page 2, I've got another one of those tags here with one of the charms from Scrap and Create. It is a swing tab, and this holds that closed. This here, again, the photo will slide underneath. Then this is magnetized. It opens up, room for a photo here, and room for 2 photos here. And I have a journaling card tucked into this pocket. You could also add an additional photo mat there if you wanted to. Then here is the second page photo spread. So again, room for lots of photos in here. Now, when I was designing this album, I saw the baby animals and I thought this would make a really cute baby album. So if you were to make this as a baby album, you could put like 1 month or 2 months, and you could go through and put these month by month for the first 12 months. I have another one of my tags here with one of the charms. This is a swing tab. So this holds these waterfall flaps. So room for photos on there. And then a pocket on the base of the page, room for photos, and a journaling card. For page 3, I have one of my chipboard pieces with another one of my charms. I have a photo mat here that's keeping these flaps closed. So these flaps flip up, room for photos here and here. I'm going to close those this way and open them like this. And these flaps give room for more photos. And then here on the page, I've got a journaling card and a large photo mat in that pocket. Then between these pages, I have another spread, room for multiple photos. So full size 4x6 and then wallet size and smaller photos. Now on the back side, this is open, so that photo will slide behind it. I have a photo mat here. And then this is magnetized. It flips up, room for a photo there, room for a photo here. This side has one of the small journaling cards just tucked in there. These both open up like this, room for a photo here and here. And over here we have a photo mat, room for 2 photos. On the front of this page, I've used one of my tags with the charm as a swing tab to keep these closed. You could place smaller photos here if you choose to do so. Then here I've got 2 smaller pockets with identical photo mats that just slide right back down in there. Then this is magnetized. It flips up. There's room for a full-size photo here. Don't mind the noise. My puppy is in the room playing. Room for a photo here and here, as well as here and here, and then 2 wallet-sized photos here. Between these pages, we have our final photo spread, room for lots of photos there, and then I've tucked a journaling card in here. You could also place a photo behind here if you wanted to do so. On the last page, this is open. This one actually comes out, so you can take that brown paper out of there to place your photo on it, or you can just slide a photo down behind there. There is a photo mat here for wallet-sized photos. This is magnetized, room for journaling here. You could place a photo here. I personally don't like to place photos where you can see them on the outside of my pages. That's just me. And also where there's a magnet, so I wouldn't put a photo there. There's plenty of room here, here, and here for photos. You could place a photo there as well. But again, I like to see the decorative paper sometimes as well, so I would only place my photos on the orange places inside. Then this whole thing opens up. So we've got room for a photo here. And then on the base of the page, we have another photo mat. And then, like I said at the beginning, the back cover mirrors the front cover with the papers and the autumn greetings in the center. So this is my new autumn greetings mini album. The paper collection is available as a bundle from Scrap and Crate, so I will link that whole entire collection in the description box below if you want to purchase that and follow along. The tutorial is available, the wooden cover is available, but you don't have to purchase this wooden cover if you don't want to use this to make your album. The tutorial will not show you how to make a different album cover. You can look at my YouTube channel for some additional tutorials on how to make the cover. I do give the measurements for a chipboard cover if you would like to not use the wooden cover, but you would have to construct it on your own. One final thing. This album, like I said, is available for purchase. So if you wanted to buy this album to just go ahead and place all of your photos inside of it, it will be available for you to do so. A very special thank you to Scrap and Crate for providing all of the lovely papers that I did use for making this album. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.